Today I'm going to show you how to integrate SurveyMonkey with Mailchimp in a few simple steps, so you can connect your survey data with your email marketing workflow and save time on manual updates. This is a great setup if you want to keep your audience data organized, streamline your campaigns, and make it easier to act on survey responses inside Mailchimp. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where your account settings and connected tools are managed, so it's the right place to start when setting up an integration. After opening your profile menu, click on Apps and Integrations. This section is where SurveyMonkey lets you connect with other platforms and services. You'll see a library of available apps that can help you extend what SurveyMonkey can do. Next, use the search bar and type Mailchimp. This helps you quickly find the integration instead of scrolling through a long list of available apps. Once the Mailchimp integration appears in the results, click on Mailchimp to open the integration page. On the Mailchimp app page, take a moment to review the details so you understand what the connection does. This is always a good step before installing any third-party app, because it helps you confirm that the integration matches your workflow and your account needs. When you're ready, click Install. Now SurveyMonkey will prompt you to log in and authorize the connection. Enter the login details for the account you want to connect. Depending on your setup, this may involve signing in with your SurveyMonkey account, your Mailchimp account, or both. So make sure you're using the correct credentials for the business or brand you want to link. After signing in, review any permissions that appear on the screen. This is an important step because the integration needs access to transfer relevant data between SurveyMonkey and Mailchimp. Double-check everything carefully, then continue with the authorization process so the connection can be completed successfully. Once the login and permission steps are finished, the integration is installed and your SurveyMonkey account is now connected with Mailchimp. From this point on, you can use the integration to help move survey insights into your marketing workflow, making it easier to manage contacts, follow up with respondents, and build more targeted campaigns. If you run into any issues during setup, the first thing to check is whether you're signed into the correct accounts on both platforms. Also make sure you have permission to install apps in both SurveyMonkey and Mailchimp if you're working in a team environment. In many cases, connection problems come down to account access or browser sign-in conflicts, so refreshing the page and trying again can often help. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to integrate SurveyMonkey with Mailchimp. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.